Don't this look good? This is from ShopRite. Just came out fresh. Went early in the morning. I love their sushi. Lexi loves their sushi. So she's about to have a blast with her wings and sushi. Let's see how tender the wings are real quick before we... Oh. Thank you. I'm trying to do a decent bun.
The cheese used to be 4 sides of this. So they used to give us.
See, the side looks fire, but then the front like, ah!
You know, like, yeah, so. What are you guys saying again?
So today's Lexi's birthday, first of all. Happy birthday. And you know we don't give a...
We were supposed to go out, but I'm sick of icky, so we staying in the house.
Yeah. We're making Lexi chicken wings.
No. This one is mine. These
Oh, these are mine.
okay.
So we got this from ShopRite. This is the spicy tuna roll, which is Kate as it might be mine. We'll see what happens. The Gary Sushi Special. We went early in the morning, so they're all nice and fresh. They were just putting them out. And then this is a spicy crab roll, which I have not tried from there yet. Lexi got a poke shrimp bowl. Looks really good. We have that. She got spicy salmon roll, one of my faves. And then she got this, which I should have also gotten, which is the California pack crab stick spicy mayo avocado cucumber. So I'm gonna make a nice looking platter with these. Took off a lot of the feathers. Hopefully I got all the feathers. Washed my hands, of course, and poured lemon juice all over it. So now I'm gonna throw some seasoning on this bad boy. And then I'm gonna make a quick marinade to put on it. So I want it to be spicy and herby. I really love herbs. Yeah, I love herbs. The taste of herbs in my food. So does Lexi. She really likes cilantro too.
Did Annie show you her mini locks that she started?
I did.
You did? When you told them?
When I did my...
That doesn't matter. No, I did not watch the video to know that. That's all that matters.
Yeah, it was my...
You know, it's a habit.
I don't have friends.
So you could say...
so you can make an excuse.
Yeah.
Excuses.
Oh, I didn't watch that. No, I didn't.
I got that from Offset. Sazon Tropical is so good. It tastes really, really good. And the sodium is not as much as a lot of other seasoning salts. For example, the sodium is 75 milligrams on this, right? Adobo, listen, you gotta be careful using adobo because this bad boy right here, 520 milligrams of salt. Wow, that's a lot. So that's why I like using these. 520 milligrams. And this one is 75. And it's a well-rounded salt flavor as well as the complete seasoning. So anyway, we're gonna put this all over the chicken, baby. A glove. Oh, I should have brought gloves. I should have. And some other things. But now I will be making wings and sushi, and then we'll be relaxing. Lexi got her video game that she wanted to play.
Oh, we got me watching Raising Kanan because that is fire.
Yeah, it's actually really good.
It gives me everything I need. My gulliness be coming out that don't come out in the streets. Think about it.
It's her birthday.
Some of her so big. So
She got the bubble guts. I think it's because she eats too much sweets. And then she do weird stuff like
it's not. No,
you're not.
I didn't have sweets yesterday.
Okay. It caught up. It caught up to you. She thinks she's 15 still. You can't be eating sweets like you've been eating sweets.
I'm gonna eat sweets like that for the rest of my life, even more later on.
Well, then your stomach gonna be hurt for the rest of your life.
And you got the Pepto-Bismol. How much money would it take you to eat seasoned chicken like this? Now you know I'm gonna tear you up later, but how much money would make you do it?
You talking about eating raw chicken?
Yeah.
What kind of question is that?
I feel like it's such a great question.
Yeah. If you want to spend the money in hell or heaven.
They watch Fear Factor where they gotta do a whole bunch of crazy nasty stuff. I mean, you can vomit it up after, but you gotta eat it all. Then you gotta eat it all and then wait 10 minutes before you throw it up.
How much money would you would be okay for you to?
It gotta be in the millions, or probably not at all, because I came to
millions.
Yeah, I'm not doing that. But that's me though. That's why. I'm wondering what they would do. I'm not doing. I probably not even do that at all. What's this?
I put cayenne pepper and I put paprika.
That's not exclusive. I'm holding in my son for dear life right now. If I let it out, then you're gonna be like, whoa, she done hurt herself.
The other day I said, in one of my videos, I'm getting tired of holding my stomach in. It's just tiring. You just want to be free. You don't want to have to hold your stomach
It's more
in.
so it's bloat right now. My son hasn't been like OD big in a while, but I feel so bad. I don't know what's going on. It woke up gigantic. I'm not a hospital type person. I'm not going nowhere. No doctor gonna see me. Okay.
Are you sick now?
Probably. And I'm continuing to be.
So what this has in it, this has hot pepper, habaneros, cilantro, scallions, soy sauce, turmeric, minced garlic, red pepper flakes, salt, black pepper, and yeah, that is what's in here. Did I say lemon juice? Lemon juice. So we're gonna go ahead and blend this up. We're gonna go ahead and blend this up. Our seasoned chicken. I never tasted marinade first. It's good. Oh, it's really good. Yeah. Give that a good mix. Okay, so everything is seasoned up. Air fried. We're gonna pop that in the air fryer. These are going in the oven. And let's get into it. They're both on 400 degrees, and when it's cooked, it's cooked. And we'll let you know which one reigns supreme. Okay, just took the wings out of the air fryer. Remember, these ones are for Lexi. And we love our wings like this, but the ones in the oven are not quite giving this. They're giving more like skin, but we'll get there. Now I'm gonna make her platter with these wings and the sushi. This is from ShopRite. This came out fresh and went early in the morning. I love their sushi. Lexi loves their sushi. So she's about to have a blast with her wings and sushi. Get into it. All right. And these are the oven baked wings. They look great. No, it's not as crispy. You can get them crispier if you use a different kind of pan that doesn't hold the juice. The air fryer tends to suck out the moisture a lot better, so it's more crispy. But this chicken looks great. It looks really, really good. Let's see how tender the wings are real quick before we... Oh. I like it. Give us a taste. I like the tips. Let me know down in the comments if you eat the tips. This is so good, y'all. You can taste all those nice flavors. You can taste the herbs, the turmeric. I eat the entire tip. Let me know in the comments if you prefer air fried wing or baked wing. That's a good wing. Peace.